So now start from R.S. Agrawal. R.S. Agrawal, example number 15. Example number 15. Write a question. Write question. Question is, if 5 times the fifth term, 5 times the fifth term of an AP is equal to 8 times the 8th term. This is from R.S. Agrawal. From R.S. Agrawal. Fifth term, from 5 times the fifth term of an AP is equal to 8 times its 8th term, that is 5 into A5 is equal to 8 into A into A8, so that its 13th term is 0. It is given so that A13 is equal to 0. It is given 5 into A5 is equal to 8 into A8. So proof 5 into A5 is equal to 8 into A8. Now simplify. So 5 into A5, that is A plus 4D is equal to 8 into A8. A8 means A plus 7D. Now simplify and find the relation between A and D. So bracket open. So 5A plus 20D is equal to 8A plus 8 7 ja 56D. So all are taking left side, or A term taking left side, or all this term taking right side. This term taking right side. Then 8A plus 56D minus 5A minus 20D is equal to 0. So 8A minus 5A, that is 3A, and 56 minus 20, that is 36D is equal to 0. Here 3 is the common factor. So now divided by 3. So A plus 12D is equal to 0, and A plus 12D, that is A13 is equal to 0. So here proved. Next, example number 17. Example 17 is, in a given AP, if pth term is Q and the qth term is P, then so that nth term is P plus Q minus N. So question is, in a given AP, pth term is Q. So proof pth term is Q, that is AP is equal to Q. Given pth term is Q, and pth term, that is A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to Q. Call it 1. And qth term is P, that is AQ is equal to P. So this implies A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. Call it second. Question is, so that nth term for a P, find any term. So first find A and D. So for A and D, here A and D, two equation given from 1 and 2, and find the value of A and D. So subtract these two equations, that is simplify and find A and D. So subtract 1 and 2. So subtract from equation 1 and 2. Friends, सही कीजिए बोर्ड, ये उसको मोड सही कीजिए. So now subtract equation 1 and 2. So that is equation 1 minus 2. So equation 1 is A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to Q. Second is A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. When subtract, then minus, 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 sign changed. This A cancel. So P minus 1 into D minus Q minus 1 into D is equal to Q minus P. Here D is common factor, taking D common. So P minus 1 minus Q minus minus plus 1 into D is equal to Q minus P. Plus minus cancel. So P minus Q into D, if taking here minus common, then becomes P minus Q. So P minus Q cancel, therefore D is equal to minus 1. Now put the value of D in any one equation, either first or second. So from first imply, put value D in 1. So 1 is A plus P minus 1 into minus 1, D is equal to minus 1 is equal to Q. Now simplify and find the value of A. Here D given, find the value of A. So A, if bracket open, then minus P and minus minus plus, minus minus plus is equal to Q. This imply A is equal to, this taking right side, then Q plus P minus 1, this is the value of A. Now find nth term here, so that nth term is, so that the nth term, so find nth term, that is find n, since n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So put value A and D. So the value of A is Q plus P minus 1 plus n minus 1 into D, D is equal to minus 1. Now open the bracket and simplify. So Q plus P minus 1, then minus n minus minus plus 1, this is cancelled. So this becomes first side P, then Q minus n, this is the nth term, hence proved. So this is the example number 17. Next example number 18. Example number 18. Question is, if m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term and am not is equal to n, then show that am plus nth term is 0. am plus nth term is 0. So, given am times the mth term, that is am into am times the mth term is equal to n times the nth term, that is equal to n into n into n, it is given. Now simplify, put value m, the value of m, a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n, put value an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now open the bracket and find the relation between a and d. So bracket open, then ma, here multiply m square minus m into d, bracket open, then na, here multiply n square minus n into d, and these all are term taking left side. So ma plus m square minus m into d taking left side becomes sign minus. So na and minus n square minus n into d is equal to 0. Now ma minus na, a is common term, so taking a is common, then m minus n into a, and in these two terms d is a common term, so taking d common, then term is m square minus m, and this will be, if bracket open, here sign minus, bracket open, then sign changed, so minus n square and minus minus plus into d is equal to 0, or m minus n into a plus m square minus n square. Suppose this is a one term, m square minus n square, and minus m plus n taking minus common becomes m minus n into d is equal to 0. In this two term taking minus common, this term and this term taking minus common, or a minus n into a, use identity a square minus b square, so a minus n into m plus n, and here a minus n into d is equal to, here d whole into this d whole into d is equal to 0. Now a minus n is a common term, so taking common, so a minus n into a, here a minus n common, then becomes here remaining term am plus n, and here minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Now a minus 1 whole term in common, so write a minus n in common, becomes a plus, this term is common, then m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So either this 0 into either this term 0, but given am not is equal to n, here given am not is equal to n, since am minus n not is equal to 0, or since am not is equal to n, this imply am minus n not is equal to 0. So first factor not is equal to 0, so second factor is equal to 0. So therefore a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0, and this is the m plus nth term. This is m plus nth term is equal to 0. Proved. This is example number 18. Now example number 19. Example number 19. So example 19 is, if the pth, qth and rth term of an AP, if pth, qth and rth term of an AP be A, B and C respectively, then show that A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q is equal to 0. Prove that. That is your given pth term of AP is A. Proof. That is AP is equal to A. So here A is the pth term. A is not a first term. So we suppose first term is equal to capital A, because small a is the pth term. So this implies pth term is formula A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A, call it 1, and qth term is B, that is AQ is equal to B. So AQ is equal to capital A, here capital A is the first term, capital A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B, call it second, and rth term is C, that is AR is equal to C. This implies A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C, call it equation third. Here show that A into Q minus R. So taking LHS A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q. This is LHS. Now put the value of A, B and C. Here the value of A is A plus P minus 1 into D. So put value A. So value of A is, put value A here, A plus P minus 1 into D. This is the value of A, and into Q minus R. Then put right value B. The value of B is A plus Q minus 1 into D and into R minus P. Now put value of C. C value is A plus R minus 1 into D into P minus Q. Into P minus Q. Now bracket the open, that is simplify, and you get value 0. So this is a trick for open the bracket, that is multiplication. First this Q minus R multiply in A, so this can written A into Q minus R, यह टर्म को पहले m इंटू किए, देन इंटू दिस, सो प्लस P माइनस 1 इंटू Q माइनस R इंटू D. आप यह टर्म को दोनों में इंटू किए, पहले इसमें इंटू किए, फिर इसमें इंटू किए, दोनों में इंटू कर दिए, एक साथ इंटू किए, ब्रैकेट ओपन अभी नहीं किए हैं, यह इस ब्रैकेट को ओपन नहीं किए हैं, यह दोनों टर्म कंबाइंड फॉर्म में मल्टीप्लाई किए हैं. सिमिलरली यहाँ भी दोनों टर्म को कंबाइंड फॉर्म मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. सो A इंटू r minus p plus second term q minus 1 into r minus p into d plus third term a into p minus q, then plus multiply here r minus 1 into p minus q into d, that is this term multiply second term. Now here first term is a, here first term is a, here first term also a. So from these three terms capital A is common. So taking capital A common, capital A is common, then here terms q minus r, here term plus r minus p, and here term plus p minus q, p minus q. All three terms written. Now in this term d is a common, d is a common, this also d is a common, d common. So taking d common, now plus and open the bracket this. If taking d common, then p minus 1 into q minus r, second term is plus q minus 1 into r minus p, and what is third term? This is third term, r minus 1 into p minus q, and whole is d is common. Here d is common. Now this q plus q minus cancel, r minus plus cancel, p minus q cancel. So all the term cancel. So 0, a into 0 equal to 0. This term is 0. Now open the bracket, plus open this bracket, now open the bracket, this term be 0. So a into 0, 0, open bracket. So first multiply by p, both the terms. So first pq, p into q, pq, and p into r, that is pr. Now multiply minus 1. So minus 1 into q, that is minus q, and minus into minus, that is plus r. Similarly open this bracket. So q into r, that is plus qr, and q into p minus p, that is minus pq. Now multiply by minus 1 in both the terms. So minus r and minus minus plus. Now open this bracket. So multiply by r. So plus pr, then r into q, minus qr, then multiply by minus 1. So minus p and minus minus plus q, and d is a common. So this equal to here pq plus pq minus cancel, pr plus pr minus pr plus cancel, q minus q plus cancel, r plus r minus cancel, qr plus qr minus cancel, p plus p minus cancel, all are cancelled. So 0 plus this also 0 is equal to value 0. So proved. D 0 into 0, D also proved 0, proved. So complete this question. I think time